Hi everyone. Today, I am going to show you how to change username on Twitter or X app. Let's get started. So, the first step is to open your X app on your mobile device. Now, click on the profile at the top left corner of the screen. Now, navigate to your profile. In the profile, click on the Edit Profile button, which you can find right here. However, you'll notice that in the profile editor, we can only change our name, not the username. Unlike Instagram or TikTok, the option for changing the username is in a different location. To find it, head back to your home page and click on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Next, expand the Settings and Support menu, and then go to Settings and Privacy. Within the X settings, you'll see the Your Account option at the very top. Click on that to open it. Then go to Account Information. And there it is, the username option at the top. Click on it. And now you can easily change your username. You'll see your current username at the top. And in the second box, you can type in the new username you want to use. As you type, you'll notice a little green indicator, confirming that your new username is available. Once you selected your new username, simply tap on Done in the top left corner. Your username is now updated on your X account. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.